In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display section available here. Now use this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or switch it off. You can also click on Adaptive Brightness on the left. Check out all of those informations about it and manage it thanks to this switcher. Quick tip, most people don't know that you can also go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and click on your brightness slider to enable or disable auto brightness. In order to do that, you need to aim for the sun available on the left. When you see a letter located at the top right corner of your sun, adaptive brightness is on. If there is no letter, it's off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!